So here is our Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, which is a huge upgrade compared to last year Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and having at almost same price range make it one of the best in this segment. Even you can compare this phone with others which are available in the market in the above price segment. Having said that, there are few downfalls of this phone which you should know before you buy this one. We will discuss all these in detail in this video, and for your convenience I have added the timestamp so that you can jump to a segment which you want to see. And now start the video with unboxing and see what Redmi offer inside the box. As last year MI committed to reduce the uses of plastic and other material, so you can see that there is no plastic wrap done over the box, and behind the box you can find the main highlights of the phone. 108 megapixel AI quad camera, 6.7 inches 120Hz AMOLED screen, which is one of the biggest highlight of this phone. The Snapdragon 732G chipset, 520 mAh battery, and this one is 8GB 128GB Glacier Blue variant, and the price mentioned on the box is 24,999, but you will get this phone at 21,999. Now let's unbox it and take out the phone and all the accessories which Redmi offered us this year. Now first we have the SIM ejector tool, few documentation, and we have the soft cover inside. Below this we have the main unit Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. We'll keep this aside for a moment. Moving ahead, we have a 33 watt fast charger where Redmi claims it charges the phone in approx 75 minutes. But I need to test myself and then I let you know how much exactly time it takes to charge up fully. And lastly we have a type A to type C wire to charge the phone and for the data transfer as well. Now keep all this aside and let's jump into the phone and unwrap the cover. So overall phone looks very premium, and on top you will find an IR blaster. Up next we have a secondary noise cancellation mic to reduce the noisy background sound, and after that we have a dedicated speaker at the top for stereo sound. Normally in other phone, earpiece is used as a secondary speaker for stereo sound effect, but here we have a dedicated speaker which is really good add-on. And then we have a rarely found headphone jack. Moving to the left side, we have a dual SIM tray and a dedicated memory card slot, which helps to boost your phone memory up to 512GB. On right hand side we have a volume rocker, and below that we have fingerprint sensor to unlock the phone. On bottom we have primary speaker, a mic, and type C port for charging and data transfer. Now the front and the back of the phone are made up of Gorilla Glass 5, which gives a premium look, and also we have the quad camera setup, which is one of the main highlight of this phone. Now let's boot this device and sign in, and in between I will let you know the major upgrade which Redmi has done from Redmi Note 9 Pro Max to Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. This is actually quite a significant upgrade over last year Note 9 Pro, where LCD become AMOLED, 60Hz become 120Hz, Snapdragon 720G is now 732G, 64 megapixel prime camera is now 108 megapixel. There is no any change in battery size. However, the front camera, which was 32 megapixel in Redmi 9 Pro Max, is downgraded to 16 megapixel. Now it would be interesting to see how Redmi manage or upgrade the picture quality in Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. And there are few minor upgrade in sensor as well. Like Bluetooth is upgraded from version 5.0 to 5.1. E-Compass sensor is also included in Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. For navigation, last year Redmi had Navic support, an Indian satellite navigation system that is missing in the latest Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. And for protection purpose, Note 10 Pro Max comes with IP53 certification, which was missing in the Note 9 Pro Max. So these are the major upgrade which Redmi has made in their latest Redmi 10 Pro Max series. So this is all about unboxing and first impression of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Currently I am using this as a daily drive, and soon I will come up with full review and camera comparison as well. So if you do not want to miss that, Please subscribe to my channel and also share with your friend. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.